Gagal.
No, I love you. I just want to say, I was in a new Mario de Vera of your life. Okay, first and foremost, what do you love most about it? About the magazine?
It's responsible journalism,
Like that.
pagiging fair, and they capture not really the nice photos, but the photos that really say something. Talagang yung may meaning, yung hindi lang is basta-basta posing na, alam mo yun.
Cute, ganon. But bukod sa yes, do you also check out Tap.ph?
Always. So,
Ay, kang nandun eh, no? Kakita kita.
nagkakataon lang. Pero,
Nagkakataon lang. Ano yung paborito mo? Bakit, why do you check out that website?
sobrang ano siya eh. Kung may nangyari, mababasa mo kagad siya. Very reliable when you want to know something. Even about myself, for example, meron isang nangyayari sa akin na hindi ko alam. So, maaaring nandun siya. So, at least meron akong briefer.
Naku, Dingdong, napakarami mong fans. Kayo na kapag bukas ka nang inaabangan. So, baka meron kang gustong message na sabihin sa kanila. Saka dapat pala si Marian.
Tawagan ko.
Tawagan natin si Marian.
Hello? Saka? Hinahanap ka rito.
Hinahanap. Ngayon ba kayo hinahanap? Actually, totoo.
I think she just came from the TV of Show Me the Man. So, kung hindi kakatapos lang, baka patapos pa lang. So, hindi na rin siya siguro abot. Pero siyempre,
Mensahe naman sa mga fans.
yes, sa maraming sumusuporta siyempre sa Yes Magazine. Through Yes Magazine, this becomes a big venue para, mabigay namin lahat ng mga information about us. Kung gusto namin silang ma-reach and kung gusto namin sila imbitahan sa mga bagay-bagay, if they want to know things about us, I think kakaibang medium ang Yes Magazine and of course, Pep.ph.
Naku, marami pong salamat, Dingdong. Pwede na ako mamatay bukas. Thank you so much, and I hope you had fun. The party.
Yeah, I enjoyed the wine and the entertainment.
Yes.
And the good ambiance as well.
Of course. Thank you so much, and guys, let's check out the party again.
And